Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Taz Credit Card. If you've been struggling to build your credit or you keep getting rejected for traditional credit cards, then this might be something worth your attention. Today we're talking about what this card is, how it works, its features, the pricing, and whether it's actually worth your time. So let's get started. The Taz Credit Card is designed primarily for people who either have less than perfect credit or are trying to rebuild their financial profile. Unlike premium credit cards that focus on rewards, travel perks, or cashback, Taz focuses on something much more basic but very important, which is helping you build or rebuild your credit score. One of the biggest barriers with many credit building cards is that they require a security deposit, but with Taz you don't need one, which makes it easier to get started. It's built for beginners with no credit history, people recovering from bad credit, and anyone trying to prove financial responsibility. Now let us talk about the main features of the card. Credit building focus. This is the core of the card. Your payment history is reported to credit bureaus, helping you build a positive credit profile over time. No security deposits. Unlike secured cards, you don't need to lock away money just to use this card. Flexible approval. You don't need perfect credit to qualify. This makes it accessible to a wider range of users. Then there's automatic credit limit reviews. After about 6 months, your account may be reviewed for a credit increase, which can boost your credit utilization ratio. 24/7 account access. You can manage your account anytime through your online dashboard, the mobile app which you can find on Play Store or on App Store, transaction tracking, as well as payment history. Flexible payment options. You can set auto pay. You can also choose your due dates or make payments online or via the phone using the app. Security and protection. Fraud protection against unauthorized charges is active. There's also security login and identity verification, as well as encrypted online transactions. There's the Optimal Premium Club. This is an add-on that gives discounts at popular brands like travel, food, and retail partners. But keep in mind that this is optional and it may come with extra costs. Also, there are no foreign transaction fees. Yes, you can use the card internationally without additional charges, which is a nice bonus. Now let's talk about the pricing of this card. While the platform promotes clear pricing, not everything is highlighted up front. So on the website here, you cannot find how much the card costs. But typically there's an annual fee that applies. And there's also a high APR. If you miss due dates for payments, late payment fees apply, and there are also processing fees as well. And if you join the premium club or you activate the payment protection, there are optional add-on costs. So while it's easy to get, it's not the cheapest card to maintain. So what are the pros and cons of using the Taz credit card? First, the pros. Easy approval even if you have poor credit. No security deposit is required, and it helps build credit history. There are also fraud protection and security features enabled. How about the cons? There's an annual fee that likely applies, and the interest rates are also high. There are no cashback or reward points, and it's not ideal for a long-term use. So having considered all this, is the Taz credit card actually worth it? Well, here's the honest truth. It's not a card that you get because it's exciting. It's a card that you get because you need a second chance at credit. So if you've been denied by major banks or you're trying to rebuild your financial reputation, then this card can absolutely serve a purpose. In that sense, the Taz credit card is best seen as a tool, not a destination. If you want to know more about the card, you can come to the help and frequently asked questions on the website. But if you use this card correctly, it can open doors to much better financial opportunities down the line. And that's it on the Taz credit card review. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Capital One Platinum credit card, Discover It secured credit card, and Open Sky secured Visa credit card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.